I'm Rich Noonan from Best to the Best, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today.
Today on Best of the Best, congratulations! If you're watching this video right now, you have found Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair, a fantastic company and winner of a 2025 National Best of the Best Award for Customer Satisfaction. Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair has arguably had the best customer reviews in this industry in America for years. This is a tight-knit team of very experienced pros serving parts of both Virginia and North Carolina that often solves really big problems for home and business owners. If you even think you need crawl space or foundation work, watch the story of Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair, a fantastic company in every way. Nobody at Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair knew that we were doing this video. The founder, Blake, is a great guy. Neither Blake nor the team he values so much had any idea that we were doing it. At Best of the Best, we never tell company owners that we are profiling their company. We do a ton of research on companies that have great customer reviews for many years. If we like what we see, we profile the company without telling the owners. We know that gives our videos a heck of a lot more credibility than anything else out there. And we love the story of Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair. We first named this company to our National Best of the Best list back in 2020, and since then they have grown a lot. They've earned scores of awesome new 5-star reviews from raving fans, and they've done so many projects that in some cases have saved people's homes. Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair does a lot of things really well. They transform wet, dank crawl spaces and basements into clean, dry, safe places. Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair also handles any kind of foundation cracking and settling issue. They give free inspections. They have fantastic warranties. They've won a bunch of awards over the year. The company culture at Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair is really special. People have great careers at this company, not just jobs. Many of them have been here for many years. They're passionate about solving customers' problems the right way at a fair price. Blake has both engineering and business degrees from James Madison. He and his team attack foundation and crawl space issues with the engineering mentality, attention to detail, do it the right way the first time, period. Even their branding, their website, regular posts on social media, well-done videos on their YouTube channel, all of it first class. That stuff matters to us at Best of the Best. It shows us a company stayed up with the times and they have their act together. This one does. But at Best of the Best, we've always cared most about our independent research and what real customers say about any business in recent reviews. The reviews about this company on every credible review site out there are simply fantastic, thousands of them. Clients rave about the professionalism of the team, the fair and transparent pricing, the great financing options, which are so helpful to people right now, and most importantly to us. Customers love the honesty and integrity displayed by everyone at Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair. These are good people. They'd never sell you something you don't need. Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair has won multiple Best of Coastal Virginia awards over the years. They've had an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau for many years. Finally, at Best of the Best, we really value companies that give back. This team has quietly given back to many people and organizations in this part of the world over the years. They truly care. We love that too. Congratulations to everyone at Bay Crawl Space and Foundation Repair on this national honor from Best of the Best. And more importantly, for doing business only one way every single day for so many years. The right way. Congratulations, everyone. You earned it.